Hello everyone, a warm welcome to English Tech Magazine Computer Vignanam. Online education scams we face daily. These days, if we are even a little careless, we get caught up in scams. Scammers also becoming more and more clever to get away with their scams. In such scams, educational scams also can be included. Without realizing, people are getting caught in such scams and losing money. Let us see the kinds of educational scams and how to come out of them. 1. Fake schools, colleges. These people open website about a fake school or a college, collect money as fees and then vanish. They use fake recognition. Once we pay to such places, we lose our money. 2. Fake qualifications. Many people go around seeking professional qualifications so that they can get jobs using these qualifications. Scammers target such people and take payments without giving any certifications. They do the scams with online courses too as a cover. 3. Promising jobs. There are many fake brokers who take money with the promise of a job guarantee. The jobs don't come to the candidates who pay as they are fake. Precautions to take not to get cheated. 1. Check online degree accreditations. 2. Never deal with those who claim to be connected to famous schools or colleges. 3. Tell the people you would pay in installments and not to the whole amount in the beginning. 4. Think if they are offering certificates of degrees too easily. 5. Check the resources of those who are offering any kind of services. 6. Check the details in authorized websites. 7. Check contact details. 8. Check reviews in Google.